Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by my channel. Definitely appreciate taking time out of your day to pay me a visit. It's Friday, June 7th. It's like a half day at work, so I've got the whole afternoon and evening to go fish. We are going to be pre-fishing for Fox River Bassing Tournament that's on Sunday. I went out last evening and was only out for about 3 hours, and I only had one fish to show for it. Really, honestly, I've been struggling with this Algonquin stretch the last month. I haven't been out here all that often with that broken prop shaft, but the last few times I've been out here, it's not really been that good of a showing. I guess I could blame high water. Really don't know, but anyway, hopefully between about 8 hours today of pre-fishing, and I've only got a half a day of pre-fishing tomorrow. Hopefully we can figure something out for the tournament on Sunday. I'm going to try my best to stay focused on main river bite today. We're going to go up north, maybe not all the way up to the dam. I haven't really quite decided what my first spot's going to be, but I've got a few main river spots that I do want to for sure hit today, and then maybe poke our heads into a few channels here and there, see what we find. Really just going to try to stay adaptable and acknowledge what's working and what's not working, and not try to force a bite. So, well, we're already deviating off of my original plan of fishing deeper water, main river stuff, but this stuff just looks a little too juicy with the water being up a little bit higher. I'm still hopeful to find a frog bite. So we'll check this area out, see what we see. Yeah, that's not going to help, but sign of life. Ooh, I got this guy right in the nose. Sorry about that, buddy. Now, another dink. All right, thanks, buddy. Well, it's good that we're getting a sign of action. We're hearing a lot of pops and fizzles and stuff like that underneath the mat back here, which is always a good sign. I guess it's just a question of whether there's actually anything of size back here. That looks like a decent fish. Yeah, that might be a keeper. Let's find out if this is a keeper or not. Guessing this is a 13.5. Gonna be just short. don't know. What do you know? 15-inch fish. All right, thanks, buddy. Well, let's hope there's more like this back here. Normally this channel up to Griswold Lake is, you know, with the normal summer pool levels, you can't really get this far back. That's kind of why I stopped here. Again, I'm deviating from what I told myself I was going to be doing today. But again, that's kind of trying to keep that adaptability, just driving upriver, noticing something and thinking about current water levels. I'm hoping that we might be able to fish up by the dam at Griswold here and see if we find anything up there, and maybe even further back. This channel does go much further back. Yeah, it's a good fish. Well, all right, not as good as I thought, but sign of life. Well, yeah, let's see if this guy would keep. I don't think he would. I think that's a 13. Yeah, that's a 13. Well, that's going to do it for practice today. I'd say eliminated more water than a thermed bore water. So guess I'm going to have a little bit of work cut out for me tomorrow to try to find something a little bit more solid. But anyway, thanks for sticking with me, and we'll see you all next time.